These smoked salmon roll-ups are so fun and perfect for a quick lunch or snack. We'll start by making a zesty lemon and chive cream cheese filling, then lay out the smoked salmon slices so they're overlapping a bit and top with your cream cheese. Add some sliced cucumber and avocado and roll it up nice and tight before slicing. We love serving them with my citrus soy sauce, and enjoy! This avocado caprese salad is one of my favorite spring and summer side dishes. It has all the classic ingredients like fresh tomatoes, mozzarella, and sliced basil with the addition of creamy avocado. Drizzle your favorite olive oil and balsamic glaze over the top and serve. It's light, refreshing, and perfect for any occasion. Enjoy! We're back with another protein-packed chicken salad. This Chipotle chicken salad is probably my favorite one yet. It's made with shredded chicken, celery, onion, and cilantro, all tossed in a creamy Chipotle lime dressing that has just the right amount of spice. Serve it as a wrap, sandwich, or pair with your favorite tortilla chips. It's so good and so easy to make. I hope you enjoy.
She galvanized me, steady like steel, back on my feet, living for the thrill again, loving for another day. She satisfied me, gave me what I want, just what we need, never too far away, loving for another day. But she asked for it. She asked for something more. She asked for it. Yeah, she asked for something beautiful. She asked for it. Yeah, she asked for it. She asked for it. Something beautiful. She mystifies me. Tell me what I did wrong, I plead. Never did I think we would be loving for another day. But she asked for it. She asked for something more. She asked for it. Yeah, she asked for something beautiful.
You're nothing but an expired, exit from my life. An expired, exit from my life. I thought your love, I thought your heart was poison from the start. An expired, exit from my life. Bye-bye. I don't